what's up guys? Mario and Jerome here from the Bonsai Supply. And if you've been following our channel for a while, you know that she only shows up when there's some sort of special announcement. So why are you here today?
Well, because it's Thanksgiving and we want to thank you for being a subscriber and for being always with us. We just reached the 50K plus subscribers on YouTube, and that is insane. And that's why we have a tradition of working in a nice tree, and I'm excited to be part of it. And make sure you stay until the end because we're gonna do an early Black Friday deals to also celebrate. So yeah, of course I have to be here for all of that.
Absolutely, so don't miss out on that. Let's go meet the tree. So let's talk about what we got here. So this is a Cryptomeria japonica, which is the scientific name. More commonly known, it is known as the Japanese cedar, but funny enough, it is not a true cedar. It is still a conifer, however, but it is from the cypress family, which means that it is from the same family as the junipers, the hinoki cypress, the ball cypress, the giant sequoia, and many, many more. They have about 140 species in the cypress family.
I mean, I can see why I like this so much then, because I'm a huge fan of hinoki. And this reminds me to a hinoki.
And this is actually a fun fact that she actually chose this tree. So you chose the tree because it reminds you of a hinoki cypress?
Yes, and because it has a crazy movement. You guys have to see this.
Yes. So that's the part of the tree that's kind of unusual to see on a Cryptomeria, a twin trunk, and so much character and so much movement. As you can see from there, all the branches have movement, and that's very unusual in a Cryptomeria. Now, generally, Cryptomerias are very widely available as landscape trees, but they are usually grown as single trunks and as an informal or formal upright trees. And in bonsai, they're also styled that way.
All right, so let me give you a 360 of this tree. Isn't this beautiful? And this is the front we chose.
Okay. So we used a chopstick to show you exactly what we chose as the front. And when we choose the front of a tree, we always start with the base. And we look for the widest part of the base. But now this tree in particular can be a little tricky because we have a twin trunk and a lot of branches going on as well. So besides just the root base, we also have to make sure that all of these trunks are visible from the front, which will give us depth. So it will add to creating more of a three-dimensional design.
So what is the plan for this tree today?
Okay, so my idea with this tree was to kind of create a directional cloud style tree. So since this part of the tree is leaning so far over to that side, we're going to go with that. So we're going to keep this side shorter and create little clouds throughout the entire canopy, but have it more directional going into that side. And the first step that we're going to do is we're actually going to clean up the tree. So we're going to cut out all of this growth in here that we're not going to utilize in today's design. We're going to take all of these knobs and turn them into little cool deadwood features. And then we're going to go ahead and wire and style the tree.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, let's do it. as you can see, the first styling of this tree is now completed. And basically all we did was we took the branches that were facing upwards, brought them down, created some negative space throughout the canopy, and really set up the pads for the future cloud style. Now we also went ahead and applied lime sulfur to the dead wood, which will then preserve the dead wood and keep it nice and strong for a longer period of time.
I mean, it looks great. I'm so excited I was able to help you out with it.
Yeah.
And the time you were waiting for, the early Black Friday deals. And that means it starts today. So to celebrate our 50K subscribers on YouTube, we're gonna do a buy one, get one 50% off. And that's gonna go from today until Cyber Monday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So you can go to our website, thebonsaisupply.com, and you can get, it's an automatic discount. All of our products are soils. Buy one, get one 50% off. So we hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. Please like this video.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and we will catch you guys next time.